how's it going? And welcome to episode 6 of the Ford Falcon restoration. Back into it after a couple of weeks off helping get a HQ wagon to paint. The wagon I actually did here a couple of years ago in this very garage. I did all the panel work. I'll drop in some photos so you guys can see what I've done. At the end of last episode, I finished off the boot lid, body of the car, all the doors. So now I'll be finishing the front end, the bonnet, the two fenders, and getting this car prepped and ready and put in primer. Okay, I have finally finished the front end on the XR Falcon. I've spent a bit of time getting all my gaps and all my panels sitting just right, so I'll show you what I've done. I'm really happy with how well this car's come together. All my gaps are exactly where I want them to be. And now it is time to finally start prepping this thing and getting it ready for primer. So what I gotta do is take all the panels back off it, and I'm gonna be starting with the doors. In case you're wondering why I've sat it on the panel stand like this, it's so that the panel stand itself doesn't dent the outside skin of the door. For whatever reason, there was a lot of sticky stuff on the inside of the door, like where the door trim meets it. But got the rear door done, and now onto the front. Just spent the last hour and a bit cleaning up the old rubber on this driver's door. It was like absolute concrete. I had to get the grinder out with the flappy wheel on. Apart from that, she's in pretty good nick. I've been cleaning up this driver's side door. While I was removing the remaining concrete rubber seal from the top of the door frame, I found a nice little rust hole. Clean it up a bit more, make a little patch, get it welded in, and get this door all finished. So that probably wasn't the most entertaining to watch, but it is a necessary step to get the car towards primer. I've now got all 4 doors done and all the inside edges of the door jambs, everything. They're all prepped, ready to go towards primer. I've put like a light coat of epoxy over any bare metal areas and any areas that I've had to do some repairs in. I've also been a bit busy with life lately, but I've been able to pick away at a few little areas and get some repairs done like when I can during the week, like including the door frame on the driver's side door. I also did a bit of repair on the left front door. And now, with the door jambs all done, I can move towards under the bonnet, the fenders, boot lid, and the rest of these little areas here.
quick update of where I'm at with the Falcon. I have finished inside the boot lid. That's all prepped, ready to go. I did inside the Bailey channel where the boot rubber will sit. That's all prepped. Ended up doing a small little repair around there. Prepped all in behind where the rear bumper sits. Inside the fuel flap and around the wheel arches on both sides of the car. So pretty much the whole rear end is done. That's all prepped, ready. Probably except for around the window seal here.
So close to the end now. I've nearly finished prepping the XR Falcon ready for primer. I've got 2 extra little panels to go, and probably the most annoying part is around this front windscreen. I've got to clean up all the old glue, get rid of it all. I've already done the rear. I'm going to be wrapping up the episode here, and if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I know it probably wasn't the most interesting of episodes, but it is a necessary step going forward, because next time around, we're putting the old girl, the XR Falcon, into high build primer.